Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to change country on OME TV or how you can connect to VPN inside the OME TV inside the Android phone. Now first of all that you need to do is just go inside the settings and just search for locations. If you're using the iPhone or Android, the process is pretty same for both of us. So don't worry, just go to locations and turn off all the locations of your devices because this is very important, otherwise your device or your account will be suspended. So just turn it off. Once turned off, make sure to uninstall and reinstall the OME TV application one more time just to clear the cache and history of all time. And after that you can just use the VPN, doesn't really matter. Let's say I want to go with the Tunnel Bear VPN. Just go inside the Tunnel Bear VPN and choose the country that you want to connect to. Either it is United States, Canada, UK, Argentina, Brazil, Denmark, Finland, whatever country you want to connect to. Just click on connect, and once your VPN is connected, after that make sure to download the OME TV one more time and use it. Use the same country's flag that you're using the VPN of, and after that your country will be changed inside the OME TV. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.